In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Kindly watch this video right till the end to learn how to propagate, multiply or grow spider plant with red leaves through cutting. My name is Asam Mukhtar Chima and you are watching Bahawalpur TV. In case you have visited this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And like and share the video also. So let's get on with this video. So firstly, I will discuss about the mother plant through which we will obtain the cutting. So the plant from which I have obtained the cutting is around 5 to 6 years old. You can get the cutting from a plant which is less older than this. So now we will discuss how to cut the branch. You can simply cut the branch by using a simple scissor or pruning scissor. So cut the branch as closely as possible from the ground and cut it cleanly so that the mother plant may not get affected by any disease or fungal attack after the cutting of branch. So preferably use a sharp pruning scissor for cutting the branch. So now I will discuss some precautions while planting that cutting. So firstly, most important thing is that the side which is attached with the mother plant will be in the ground in order to get the right direction of nutrient flow. So now we will discuss how to plant that cutting. So now I will discuss the method which is I have used for planting this cutting. I have simply used a brick and an iron rod to make a small hole in the ground rather than digging a pit for this cutting. The reason for this method is that in this way the success rate becomes higher and chances of getting dried up are reduced. So now I will show some shots of the mother plant and the cutting which is planted separately few days ago. So you can practically see this.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time.
In the next video, I will discuss about the water and fertilizer requirement of that cutting and also about the overall care of that cutting. So stay tuned. If you find this video interesting and informative, then like and share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such informative content. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.